In this short video, I will show you how to use 2-in-1 copy features on Canon 3010 printer. This allows you to save paper by copying 2 pages on one sheet. First, place the first page face down on the scanner. Close the lid. Go to the printer's display panel. Click on this button. You will see there capital C. Go to capital C and click on the plus button. Go to the capital P. Press start button. Now place the second page face down the scanner. Close the lid. Press start button to copy 2-in-1 sheet. And that's now you know how to copy 2 pages onto one sheet, saving paper. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.